tortellini to a boiling water with a generous amount of salt. Cook this and stir occasionally until tender, around 2 to 3 minutes. Reserve at least 1 cup of the pasta water before draining the tortellini. You need chives, you also need mushrooms, and you need to toast some pine nuts. On a hot pan, put some butter. Add in your mushrooms. Once cooked, you can add now your pasta water, and you can season this with pepper. Put some garlic powder. Add cream cheese. You need to cook them, stir often until the sauce is smooth and comes to a simmer. Then add in your tortellini. Add some Parmesan cheese. Cook until the sauce is slightly thickened and incorporated. Remove the pan from heat, and you can now add your spinach, and you just mix them until 1 to 2 minutes. Put your chives, shredded Parmesan cheese, and of course your pine nuts. Now look at this.